Good morning, students. This is module 5 of lesson matrices. Question number 8. Exercise 3.2. Question number 8. The question is, if y equal to 3 to 1 4 and 2x plus y equal to 1 0 minus 3 2, then find the value of x. Put the value of y from 1 in 2. We will have 2x plus y. Y is 3 to 1 4 equal to 1 0 minus 3 2. And now solve this equation, find the value of x. We will have 2x equal to 1 0 minus 3 2 minus 3 2 1 4, or 2x will become 1 minus 3 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 3 plus 1 minus 1 minus 3, and 2 minus 4 minus 1, or x will become minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is the value of x. Now see question number 12. Question 12 is given that 3 into x, y, z, w equal to x 6 minus 1 2w plus 4 x plus y z plus w 3. Find the values of x, y, z, w. Okay, we will have 3x, 3y, 3z, 3w. This equal to, add these two matrices, x plus 4, x plus y plus 6, minus 1 plus z plus w, 2w plus 3. And because two matrices are equal, therefore their corresponding elements will be equal. From here we will get 3x equal to x plus 4. From here this will become 2x equal to 4 or x equal to 2. Okay. Now 3y equal to x plus y plus 6, or this will become 2y equal to x, x is 2, this is 6, 2y equal to x plus 6, and x is 2, therefore 2y will become 2 plus 6, 2y equal to 8 or y equal to 4. Okay, from here 3w equal to 2w plus 3, or from here we will get w equal to 3. And now this 3z will be equal to minus 1 plus z plus w, or 3z minus z 2z इक्वल टू -1 प्लस W3, पुट द वैल्यू W, और 2Z इक्वल टू 2 और Z इक्वल टू 1, x, y, z and W. Okay. Now question number 13. See question number 13. If fx equal to, question number 13, if fx equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, and 0 0 1, 0 0 1, then show that fx into fy equal to, then so that fx into fy equal to fx plus y. Okay, first of all we will take left hand side. In left hand side we need fx is given. Now what will be fy? From here fy will become cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0 0 1. We will have left hand side fx into fy. This will become cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0 0 1 into cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0 0 1, multiply. This is the order matrix of product 3 by 3. This is also 3 by 3. Therefore, the resultant matrix A1 1 cos x into cos x cos y minus sin x sin y plus 0. A1 2 cos x cos y. This into A1 2 cos x minus sin y minus cos x sin y. A1 2 minus sin x cos y plus 0, 0 into 0. Okay. A1 3 cos x into 0 0, sin x into 0 0, 0 into 1 0. This is 0. Now 2 1 2 1 sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus 0. Okay. 2 2 sin x sin y minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y and plus 0 0. Okay. Now A2 3 0 0 and 0 0. And now 3 1 3 1 0 0 0 0 3 2 this into this 0 and 3 3 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0, 1 into 1 1, or this will become, see here, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This has become formula cos x plus y. If I take common from here minus 1 minus sin, this will become sin x cos y plus cos x sin y and 0. This is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, sin x plus y. Here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, cos x plus y, 0 0 0 1, and now this will become cos x plus y. This is minus sin x plus y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y will become sin x plus y, 0. Sin x plus y, cos x plus y, 0 0 0 1. Now see fx, x x x x. Here x plus y, x plus y, x plus y, x plus y. Therefore this is f x plus y, and this is our right hand side. Now question number 14 you can do yourself. Multiplication simple. Question 15, 16, 17. Question 15. See question number 15. Find a square minus 5a plus 6i if a equal to 2 0 1, 2 1 3 and 1 minus 1 0. Now see how we will find out. A square minus 5a plus 6i. What will be I for this a? I will become 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, because A is a matrix of 3 by 3 order. Therefore identity matrix will become of 3 by 3 order for this A. So we will put the value here. A square means A into A. We will get here 2 0 1, 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 0 into 2 0 1, 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 0 minus 5 into A, 5 into A, 2 0 1, 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 0 plus 6 into I, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, and now multiply this. 3 by 3, 3 by 3, resultant will also of 3 by 3, this into this, 2 into 2 4 plus 0 plus 1 5, 2 1, sorry 1 1, 1 2, 2 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 1 in 1 3, 1 3, 2 into 1, 0 into 3 and 0, 2. Okay, now A22, A22, 2, A21, 2, 2, 2, 3, A21, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2, 2 and plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 9. This is 2, 1. 2, 2, 2 into 0, 0, 1 minus 3 minus 2. 2, 3, 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 and plus 0, 5. Now 3, 1, 2 minus 2 plus 0, 0. 3, 1, 3, 2. 1 into 0, minus 1 into 1 and 0, minus 1. 3, 3, 1 into 1, 1 minus 3 plus 0, minus 2. Minus 5, 10, 0, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5, minus 5 and 0. Multiply by 5 this matrix. Multiply by 6 this matrix and this will become 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. And now solve it. We will have the result. First of all, we can add these two and then subtract. This will become 5 plus 6, 11. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1, 2. 9 minus 2 plus 6, 4. And this is 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Okay. 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1 and minus 2 plus 6, 4. Okay. Minus this tan 0, 5, tan 0, 5, tan 5, 15, tan 5, 15, 5 minus 5, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, and this will become 11 minus 10, 1, minus 1, minus 0, minus 1, 2 minus 3, 5 minus 3, 9 minus 10, minus 1, 4 minus 5, minus 1, 5 minus 15, minus 10, 0 minus 5, minus 5, minus 1 plus 5, 4, 4 minus 0, 4. Okay, and this is the value of a square minus 5a plus 6i. This. Okay, thank you.